Hello, everyone. I'm Nelson, and welcome to my channel, The Nelby Life. We started our ride this morning out of Charlotte, and we met with friends, and then rode up to Morganton to my favorite restaurant in the area called April's Family Style Restaurant. And now we are going to ride NC 181 North. Ridge Parkway in fall offers some beautiful scenery. However, due to the destruction of Hurricane Helena, there's portions of the parkway that are still closed. However, one of the secrets about the Blue Ridge Parkway is that it has a few roads that either cross over or underneath it, and one of these such roads in this area is NC 181. And it is a beautiful drive. It's about 36 miles long, and it runs from Morganton up to the Pineloa area. However, today we're going to ride about half that distance, and I'm taking this group, and we're going to start in the southern area of 181 and head north and take in some of the beauty and the scenery. Now, for some, the unknown factor about 181 that it is a beautiful scenic drive, but also it offers some nice curves and some twisties as it leads up towards the Blue Ridge Parkway. So we're taking this ride just to enjoy the day, and we'll see how far we go before we decide to turn around and come back. But I hope you'll view and come along with us and check out 181. A lot of sports bike riders like riding this stretch of the road as they're heading up to the higher elevations or other roads. For the next 13 miles, this road features a nice mix of sweeping curves and a few tighter turns as it passes through the mostly undeveloped woodlands of the Pisgah National Forest. There are ample passing zones and a number of scenic pullouts along this stretch, and including the Brown Mountain overlook. From here, on one side you can see Table Rock and Hopsville and Sitting Bear and the Ginger Cake Mountains. In the other direction is Brown Mountain, which is home of the locally famous Brown Mountain lights, which they say is the mysterious lights that have been reported being seen above the mountains for decades. Many legends abound about the source of the lights, and it's a regionally popular thing to do is to bring a chair in the evening and watch the phenomenon. The overlook for Brown Mountain is on the right. NC 181 is not as technically challenging as some of the roads that crosses the Blue Ridge Parkway, but it offers a nice riding and a chance to explore the beauty of the communities of the Blue Ridge Mountains. The posted speed limit for NC 181 is 45 miles per hour for the most part of it, but there are sections that can get up to 55 miles an hour. Today the track is very light, so we're going to have some fun going up the mountain, and we'll see how things turns out. For some of the riders with me today, it's their first time riding this route, so hopefully they'll enjoy it as much as I always do each time I've ridden it. Pavement and road condition for this route is very good. Like many other roads in the higher elevation, I would recommend this road to be the rider to be at a minimum an intermediate level of skill. It's not too challenging, but you do have to pay attention and also to mind yourself as the curves come upon you rather quickly. We are entering the Jonas Ridge community, and in this area there's an old general store that has been reopened as a mercantile store, and it's my understanding that there's a great grill here now that serves really good food. The reviews say that they have some of the best barbecue around, and it has a lot of good food, so one day I'm going to come back up here and check that out. The store is closed today, so we won't be able to go inside, but we've decided this will be our turnaround point, and we're going to head back down 181. Well, on the way down, we're going to stop at the Brown Mountain Lookout. This is Brown Mountain off of 181, outside of Morganton, en route to Pineloa. We're about 8 miles south of the parkway. Well, we had another great ride today. On the way back in, once we got to Morganton, we took Old Highway 18 down into the South Mountain area. So check out that ride as well.